cheer. Just the worst time to be without someone special. In all the movies they're kissing in the snow, holding hands and mittens, baking together at home. I like the movies when I'm walking in the snow, cold hands and mittens, eating gingerbread home alone. I dream of December nights, kissing under bright lights, snowflakes in my hair, carols playing in the air. I dream of December nights, kissing under bright lights, red bow in my hair, sleigh bells in the air. The only thing I'm missing is you. Stockings on fireplace, but in my living room a single one with my name, knit sweaters and lace, dressed up alone on the couch during cold winter days. In all the movies they're kissing in the snow, holding hands and mittens, baking together at home. I like the movies when I'm walking in the snow, cold hands and mittens, eating gingerbread home alone. I dream of December nights, kissing under bright lights, snowflakes in my hair, carols playing in the air. I dream of December nights, kissing under bright lights, red bow in my hair, sleigh bells in the air. The only thing I'm missing is you, darling. You, yeah, you. The only thing I'm missing is you, darling. You, yeah, you. The only thing I'm missing is you. Sent a red as letters, he will know that my wish ever since I remember has been the mistletoe kiss. I'll keep on writing letters, I'll keep on dreaming away in the waiting every holiday till the day I can say I dream of December nights, kissing under bright lights, snowflakes in my hair, carols playing in the air. I dream of December nights, kissing under bright lights, red bow in my hair, sleigh bells in the air. The only thing I'm missing is you, darling. You, yeah, you. The only thing I'm missing is you, darling. You, yeah, you. The only thing I'm missing is you.
I keep losing friends and losing hours. I can't comprehend where I've gone wrong throughout my life. I've been sleeping in and skipping showers. Daylight's creeping in, but I can't open up my eyes. So sick of heartbreaks, mistakes, losing my cool. These lazy Sundays, always thinking it through. Now I'm missing all the days when I had nothing to lose. And now I'm talking to myself and saying I'm so sick of you. Haven't got back home in quite a while. Always on my phone, but got no time to say hello. I wish I didn't have to fake this smile, nah, nah. Cause everyone I know just seems so happy on their own. So sick of heartbreaks, mistakes, losing my cool. These lazy Sundays, always thinking it through. Now I'm missing all the days when I had nothing to lose. And now I'm talking to myself and saying I'm so sick of you. Mistakes, losing my cool. These lazy Sundays, always thinking it through. Now I'm missing all the days when I had nothing to lose. And now I'm talking to myself and saying I'm so sick of you.
'cause it started to rain. Afternoon in the fall. This weather always makes me think about it all. The woman across me, she's wearing a trench coat, a bouquet of roses, I wonder what they're for. A candlelit dinner, a date in the park, a night at the theater, or love in the dark. I don't know where she's going, I don't even know her name. I don't know if her life has been a breeze or a hurricane. I don't know if he loves her or if loving him is pain. But I do know that our fates have intertwined for a moment on a train. Almost at the downtown stop. I'm already late, but I don't wanna get up. Outside the city's painted gray, but in here a vivid world is on display. The man behind me, he carries a suitcase, a custom cut suit, but shadows on his face. Was it just a bad day? Will he laugh when he gets home? Or did it all go astray, and now he sleeps alone? I don't know where he's going, I don't even know his name. I don't know if his life has been a breeze or a hurricane. I don't know if he's happy or if all he knows is pain. But I do know that our fates have intertwined for a moment on a train. How many timelines collide inside these walls? How many good times and tear-soaked phone calls? Decades of living, a multiverse ballet, but the earth just keeps spinning, and tomorrow all of these seats will be filled with new faces anyway. They won't know where I'm going, they won't even know my name. They won't know if my life has been a breeze or a hurricane. They won't know that I sit here writing verses of their pain. But they will know that our fates have intertwined for a moment on a train. I haven't thought about you in a while. I haven't thought about that beautiful smile and how it used to make my heart go wild, wild. You look deep into my eyes, and all I could think was, why did I have to fall for you this time? And I know things have changed, and I know that we're not the same, but I just really need to know how you're gonna treat me. I need to know if you can really make me happy. I need to know that I won't be lonely. I need to know before I call you baby. Baby, I need to know before I call you baby. You're really funny, I can't deny, but I wanna know what goes on inside that wonderful wandering mind. I know I'll go and try to break down every wall, but I'm not like that at all. I know I'll make it hard, but I'll never change that. And I know we'd be great, but please, please get this straight. I just to know